Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English University School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is Arabic word meaning from 1 to 8. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 8 and SW number 8. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Arabic word meaning from 1 to 8. So let's start at first look at the board. My dear students, here I have written my dear students, here I have written 8 Arabic word and also meaning in English meaning. Okay, my dear students, now let's start. Number 1, ulaikun. The Arabic word is ulaikun. Ulaikun means blackberry. Blackberry. Ulaikun means blackberry. Now number 2, my dear students, kithaun. Kithaun. Kithaun is a Arabic word, you know that, and kithaun means cucumber. Cucumber. Now, number 3, fulun. Number 3 is fulun. Fulun means bean. Fulun means bean. My dear students, you know that fulun is an Arabic word and fulun means bean. Now, number 4, my dear students, asadun. Asadun. You know that asadun is an Arabic word and asadun means lion. Asadun means lion. Now, number 5, my dear students, bakaratun. Bakaratun. Bakaratun means cow. Bakaratun means cow. You know that, my dear student, bakaratun. Bakaratun is an Arabic word and it means cow. Now, number 6, ghanamun. Ghanamun. Ghanamun means goat. Ghanamun means goat. Now, number 7, my dear students, jin mim lam, jamalun. Jamalun. Jamalun means camel. My dear students, you know that Jamalun is an Arabic word and its meaning camel. Jamalun means camel. Now, my dear students, number 8, darun. Here will be jabor, single jabor. Darun. Darun means house. You know that darun is an Arabic word. Darun means house. Darun means house. Okay, my dear students, now we will read one more. Look at the board again. Ulaikun means blackberry. Kithaun means cucumber, fulun means bean, asadun means lion, bakaratun means cow, ghanamun means goat, jamalun means camel, darun means house. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned 8 Arabic word meaning from 1 to 8. And my dear students, you will memorize, you will learn, you will read and write these 8 Arabic word meaning again and again at your home. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home as SW number 8, Arabic word meaning from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. You will make SW at your home, Arabic word meaning like in this pattern from 1 to 5. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.